What's going on, world? Welcome back to AquaMalik. I'm actually doing a filter change for my linear piston air pump. This is a Jehmco air pump, and it's actually getting a little bit hot. I'm actually a few months behind on the maintenance. These things need to be maintained regularly, so I'm gonna undo this right now and take the filter out, wash it, clean it, put it back. So you guys are gonna see it, and stay tuned, watch till the end, because this is quite important if you are gonna run a linear piston air pump. These things can run for like 25 years plus, but if you don't maintain it properly, it can shut out in a few months after the time the regular maintenance is due. So I'm lucky I caught it on time. I touched it, it was really hot, so that was an indicator that something is wrong. And so I'm gonna get this fixed right now, and let's get through this video. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, hit that notification icon, because a lot of cool fish room related stuff is coming to you through this channel. So stay tuned, watch till the end, and let's go through this journey of changing the filters on the air pump.
Produced by Malik.
So I need two things for this. I need the filter, which came with the unit. So I got two of these from Jehmco, and a screwdriver. So first thing first, gotta unscrew the top. Alright, so got the top off. Just put that somewhere safe here, just so it's not gonna fall. And remove the old filter. So this is washable and reusable, so you don't discard this, okay? So you just wash this and save it for the next time. And put this clean one, which you've already washed and cleaned last time. You can also kind of take out some of the excess gunk, anything that's kind of sitting there on the edges and stuff like that. Give it a one over. Now, so once the filter is in, you can take this lid, maybe clean it up a little bit, you know, where there's sensitive areas where there might be more debris collecting, like here, where the air usually comes in from to the filter, and these little sections. You can go one over with something more stronger. But I'm just using my finger. Just gonna quickly clean it out. Nothing too fancy. Just want to take out all this brown gunk out. Remember, this is all dust from your house, so this is gonna accumulate over time again. That's why we use the filter to do this. And I don't think there's any particular way. Both sides of it is exactly the same. You put it back on. You take the screwdriver. Alright, the one thing I'm going to say is you don't want to tighten it too tight. You don't want to tighten it too loose, so you turn it as much as it turns, very lightly pressured, and then when it stops turning, you stop there. We don't do a quarter turn or anything like that. It's snugly fit now. And I'm going to take this piece and wash it and put it back for the next time. And I can turn this on right now because it's actually had some time to cool down while I was doing the repair or replacement filter. It did have some time to cool down. It is really hot in here, so I'm not wearing a shirt. Apologize for that. But thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you guys find value in this content. And if you do have a linear piston air pump, please service it every 6 months or as recommended by the manufacturer, so that your linear piston air pump lasts you a very long time. As always, thank you so much for your love and support. I'll see you on the next video. God bless you all. So to clean this, you just have to wash it. I'm just using my actual sink here in my house, and I'm washing it clean. And you take out all the excess gunk off of it, squeeze it a couple of times, and rinse it out. You might need to replace these every few years because these are neoprene type of material. It's like a rubbery material, and it will degrade over time. But it is cheaper to replace these than $1,000 air pump. The air pump itself was quite expensive, and it's so much more cheaper to replace these every year, or every 5 years, or every 3 years, or whenever that is, as opposed to replacing the entire air pump. So please maintain your filter to its optimal level. And that's the end of that video. Thank you so much.
Produced by Malik.